Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to record voiceovers in Edits, alright, or the Instagram Edits app. Well, first up, go ahead and open up your draft. If you don't have a draft, just go ahead and create a new project. Or just tap into the plus sign right here at the bottom right. Now, for example, I wanted to add in some voiceovers on top of my pictures, alright? Like this one, this picture of mine, this one as well, just for you to see, okay? Like that. And once done, I'm just going to hit on the check mark right here, top right. All right. Now, to be able to add in some voiceover on top of my pictures right here, I'm just going to tap on voice. Okay. Just tap on it. Now it's going to ask you to give a permission for the Edits app to use your microphone. All right. Just go ahead and tap on while using the app. Now in here, you can go ahead and tap on this pink button. When you tap on it, you can now go ahead and record your voiceovers. All right. Now, for example, I'm just going to repeat the title of this video, like, welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to record voiceovers in Edits. Just like that. Now, if you want to play it, go ahead and tap on the play button. All right. Now, if you want to add in some voiceovers in the section, or you're going to want to play around until you find your spot where you wanted to add in the voiceover. For example, this spot right here, I'm just going to add in. This is a picture of me wearing white shoes and a white shirt. Also with a white background. All right. Now, if you don't like certain spots like this one, okay. All right. It seems cut. So what we're going to do is just tap on the recording itself. Now move this slider. All right, to cut it. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.